Thank you for trusting Belshaw Accounting Tax and Advisory Services, LLC with your bookkeeping needs. What's included in your bookkeeping package? Our monthly bookkeeping services typically include categorization and reconciliation of bank and credit card transactions, financial statement preparation, profit and loss, balance sheet, and more, software support and reporting via QuickBooks Online or Xero, sales tax tracking and payroll journal entries if applicable, clear communication, and monthly delivery timelines. Once payment is received, we'll begin regular monthly services based on your selected package. Your reports will be delivered consistently with support available. If you have any questions, please reach out to Ivy at ivybelshawaccounting.com. We appreciate your continued partnership and look forward to keeping your books clean, accurate, and ready for whatever's next.